my goodness, check that out. Again, fitment was perfect with this thing. It is nice and flush, sitting on all corners. God, honestly, you definitely worth it, guys.
That is loud.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, we have a pretty cool video because the main focus of today's video is going to be getting a new carbon fiber rear wing installed on this car. And so hopefully that will be an easy process. I'll show you guys the wing I got, what we did, and also some front side markers to completely black this thing out even more than it already is. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and we will go ahead and get a cold start, pull this thing out for you guys. Now, one thing I have done, guys, is I did purchase these DJI mic minis. And the cool thing about these is you can actually have a two mics, right? So I've put one in the rear of the car so you guys can actually hear the loudness that is the cold start on this thing. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of that sound. Go ahead and give you guys a few revs here. High flow cats really make this thing sound amazing. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Removing this old eBay cheap style wing that I had installed. I think this one was like $100 wing on eBay, super cheap. When I first ordered it, I had ordered it in carbon fiber, but it was like a super cheap hydro dip carbon fiber, not even a good looking one. So I had it sent out to paint and then install in the car, and it's been great. It looks good, gives you that OEM type feeling with that raised extension, but the fitment on it honestly is not the greatest. Right here on this end, I was fighting a lot of it lifting up because of the tension, just did not sit evenly and smooth. So the double-sided tape would not want to stick. So always fought with it. And honestly, since I did the carbon fiber front splitter, I figured let's go ahead and start installing carbon fiber on this car and getting that done. So we're gonna get ahead and remove this one, and let me show you guys the replacement. So here we have the replacement, guys, and this is from Extreme Online Store, and already this is real nice carbon fiber, just like the front splitter. And you'll notice it doesn't have that, it's a smooth profile, so it doesn't have like a sharp transition here. I think that's going to be really nice for the car. And of course, it has the V-weave line right in the middle, which is pretty awesome. Similar to the way my front splitter has it there. So yeah, this thing I think is going to look really nice when we install it. And I like the profile. It's got a much thicker, I guess, thickness on the top. So as you see it here compared to the other one, the top profile is a little thicker, more rounder. I think this is really gonna look nice on the car. Let's go ahead and remove this wing. It's literally just double-sided on there, no bolts, no nothing. So a little bit of heat gun and some fishing wire, and this should come right off. And similarly with the Extreme Online Store, it is the same way. We just do double-sided tape, and this should mount pretty smoothly and hopefully have better fitment. Removed the old one, and man, honestly, wow, check this out. So I just got it kind of sitting in place, and fitment is perfect. It literally just sits right into spot. Now there's obviously some spots I'm gonna have to basically kind of remove this glue, go ahead and make sure there's no adhesive left before it. Probably get some ceramic coating, but this looks amazing. And right down the middle, I mean, fitment, honestly guys, 100% on spot. And it actually even has a more aggressive kind of angle and looks so good. Check that out, my goodness. Okay, so putting the double-sided tape, guys, super easy. Just follow the edge of the splitter on the bottom, and of course I've already kind of pre-pulled on one corner, and also made sure to put it kind of sealed up, as you see in the corners, since it doesn't have any bolts or any gaskets. Wanted to make sure that the holes in the trunk were as close to sealed as possible using the 3M tape. So now we're just gonna kind of hopefully center it up, layer it in. It sits very nicely, guys. You definitely can tell at what point it needs to be sitting. The other eBay one was very, very hard to, it didn't have this overhanging lip that kind of just sat. It was pretty weird, but this definitely has a much, much better fitment, and honestly worth the $300 that you pay for this. You do have to look for it under the CT5-V category, not the Blackwing, because for some reason they don't have this on the Blackwing side. I'm assuming because the Blackwing uses studs and bolts, but I mean, I'm not going to be running this car at 200 plus miles an hour, so this should be plenty to install it without needing the nuts and bolts and look really, really good. And just like that, it is on. Oh my goodness, check that out. Again, fitment was perfect with this thing. It is nice and flush, sitting on all corners. God, honestly, you definitely worth it, guys. Looks super nice. The carbon fiber is super shiny. It now matches my front splitter. It looks really, really nice. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new carbon fiber high wing from Extreme Online Store. So get to the next part, which is, of course, these very, very eyesore reflectors that we have here on the side marker. So for these side markers, I went with a smoked lens that has a white reflector to kind of match the front instead of the amber. And it's super simple, guys. It's just 3 T15s. You got to kind of pull back. I think there's another one right up here that you might want to remove so that you can get access to this little corner here. And I, of course, have the Extreme Online Sports little side deflector, which is really, really nice as well. Definitely recommend it if you have the front splitter. But you remove that, and then you just move the fender liner back a little bit, and you should get access to the side reflector. And just like that, guys, super easy. The driver's side little plug is super tight on here. It's very short, but honestly, it was just those 3, and that gives you access to the back. And now you guys can see we've got the nice white light reflector in that smoked lens. Definitely going to get with the appearance of the black on the car. So easy, just pop this thing back in. It's got this little clip on the top. That's where you gotta squeeze a little bit to pop it out, and then you're good to go. So honestly, super simple, very, very easy to do both sides, and you're done. And again, no audio. I need to make sure I fix this in future uploads, but the side markers are in, and you can definitely tell that they blend in much nicer now with the shadow metallic paint and the black wheels, the black badges, and all that. We've got the rear carbon fiber trunk spoiler looking much better than the eBay junk that we had ordered, with that nice V-cut right down the middle. Really looks awesome. And with that being said, guys, hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think of the mods down in the comments below. If you like the content on the Blackwing, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, consider subscribing so that you can keep up to date. I've definitely got another video coming up. We're going to be doing a few more things like changing out the suspension, giving it a little bit of a drop. Got to do some brake pads, and also really liked the hyper dip black wheels and how that looked, but want to get that completely done in powder coat. So stick around and make sure you have your notifications on so I can show you guys the result of that in the following video.
But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.